Now we are going to see multiply with the regrouping, regroup ones. Okay, let's start the sum. Multiply the ones. First step, multiply the ones. So that is 100 tens and ones. We have to write the place value as it is. So 205, that is 5 ones, 0 tens and 2 hundreds. So you are going to multiply by, that is 3-digit number with a single digit number. So I am going to multiply by 3 with 205. So first I start with multiple the ones. Okay, 5 into 3, that is 5 into 3, you can get 15. Okay, that is 5 ones is going to multiply by 3, you can get 15 ones. Okay, that means 15 ones. So what I am going to write, you have to write, that is 1 tens and 5 ones. Okay, 1 tens and 5 ones. So you must write the 5 ones. You must take the 5 ones here because I have written in the ones place. The remaining 1 tenths is go to the tens place. Okay. So first step is over. Step 1, multiply the ones. You must write the place value first, and according to the place value you have to write the numbers. You must write the 3-digit number. So 3-digit number is 205 is going to multiply by 3. First you start with ones. So 5 ones is going to multiply by 3. You can get 15 ones. That means 1 tens and 5 ones. This 5 ones, I have taken only the 5 ones in the ones place. I have written the 5 ones in the ones place. The remaining 1 tens is go to the tens place value. Okay, now we are going to do the multiply the tens. So first you have to write the 5 ones. Now carry over you have to write already in the tens place. So now what is the number in the tens place? 0. So 0 tens is multiplied by 3. That means 0 tens into 3. You can get 0 tens. So the carryover is plus plus carryover is 1 tens. So the answer is 1 tens. So you have to write 1 here because 0 into 3, 0 tens is multiplied by 3, you can get 0 tens is multiplied, 0 tens is going to multiply by 3, you can get 0 tens. Then the carryover is 1 tens also added with that. 0 tens plus 1 tens, you can get 0 plus 1, you can get 1 tens. So you have written the 1 in the tens place value. So multiply the tens is over. So for 100 there is no carryover. Now we are just go to the step 3, multiply the hundreds. First you write the 5 ones and 1 tens, you must write as it is. Now we are going to multiply the 100 place value. What is the number in 100 place? 2. That means 200 is going to multiply by 3. You have to write 2 hundreds. Going to multiply by 200 is going to multiply by 3. You can get that is 6 hundreds. 6 hundreds. So there is no carryover, you have to write as it is 6. So the answer is 615, 615, 6 hundreds, 1 tens and 5 ones. The answer is 615. That means 615, 6 hundreds, 1 tens and 5 ones. I'll repeat. The answer is 615. That is 6 hundreds, 1 tens and 5 ones. Okay. Here you must write, that is 5 ones. You must write 5 ones into 3. That is what? Okay. So I think so you understand the sum very clearly. First multiply with regrouping, regroup ones. You have to multiply 205 into 3. The 205 is a 3-digit number. Multiply with a single digit number. First you start with the multiply the ones. First you have to write the place value. So according to the place value you have to write the numbers 205, 200s and 0 tens and 5 ones. Multiply by 3. First you start with ones. That is the heading. Step 1 is multiply the ones. So 5 into 3. 5 tens into 205, 200, 0 tens and 5 ones. Step 1 is multiply the ones. I start with ones. 5 ones multiply by 3, 5 ones multiply by 3, you can get 15 ones. How are you going to write to How are you going to write the 15 ones? How are you going to split otherwise? How are you going to split the 15 ones? That means 1 tens and 5 ones. So 5 ones, I have taken the 5 ones, and also I have written the 5 ones in the ones place. Step 1 is over. Now step 2, multiply the tens. You must write as it is, write the place value according to the place value. You have to write the numbers. So 5 ones you write as it is. Then you have to what? You have to multiply the tens. What is the number in the tens place? That is 0. So 0 tens is going to multiply by 3. So 0 tens into 3, you can get 0 tens only. The carryover you have tried already. So 1 tens also here. So 0 tens plus 1 tens, you can get 0 plus 1, you can get 1 tens. That means you have to write the 1 tens in the tens place value. So step 2 is over. There is no carryover for hundreds. Better you can go to the step 3 to multiply the hundreds. First you write the place value. According to the place value, you have to write the numbers. Then you have to write the what? Ones place value, so ones place answer and tens place answer. What is the number? That is 5 ones and 1 tens. You have to write as it is. Then you have to multiply the hundreds. So how many hundreds? 100 place, what is the number? 200. So 200 is multiply 200 is going to multiply by 3. 200 is going to multiply by 3 means what you will get? 200 into 3, you can get 600. So there is no carryover. You write as it is 600. So answer is 615. 615. That means 6 hundreds, 1 tens and 5 ones. This is the right answer for the question. This is what step by step method. This is called as a regroup ones.